What's up, guys? We're here today in Monkey Company. I'm Will Sky 6 Official, and this guy who's recording it right now is Moose VR.
Yeah, it's me, Moose VR. And today we're playing Monkey Company, like this green fellow said. Okay,
Yep,
how much do you
OG
have on your
Animal
watch?
Company.
How much? I can see your watch. You had 13K. How 12K?
I'm 1K richer than you.
Okay, so
Okay.
let's get some supplies so we can actually do this. We can't use a mega flashlight. You have to use these 3 items: backpack, and a shotgun.
Do we have to use a shotgun?
No. Should we?
Are we not?
Let's be not win.
Let's buy tablets, chat.
Yeah, I'll let you have a tablet.
These tablets. Oh, nope. No, they work, and you're getting X-rayed.
Oh, whoa, I see. It's like an
Yeah, get
extra.
X-rayed.
Okay, let's go to Dark Forest since that's literally
Wait, you
the
have a
only.
tablet?
What? It's the
you have a
only
tablet?
other map we can go in. And yeah, the sewers isn't in this update.
Yeah, unfortunately, there's no Slender Man in this game.
Yeah, there's no Slender Man. Alright, let's go in here first.
Ooh. Don't step on the landmine.
Yeah. Ooh, big banana. Put that in my backpack. Oh, so it's just
Oh,
this?
landmines. Yeah.
Okay. By the way, in this video, you will see something super OG that's not in the actual game anymore.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Should we go to the chicken? Or should we go to that other Armstrong cave?
I'm stuck, bro.
What do you mean you're stuck?
I mean, like, all my things, physics are wonky. Like, this thing is barely even in my hand or something.
Okay, you want to go that way, or that way? It's 3 ways.
I want to go that way.
You can't go up.
Okay.
Okay, let's go this way. Let's go to the chicken and steal its egg.
Chicken jockey? Chicken jockey?
That was
Chicken jockey?
probably.
Too bad saddles don't exist in this update.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Here's the chicken. It's the same model still. The egg, I think, might still also be the same model. Right?
They have Stanley cups.
Oh, they have Stanley cups? That's... Ugh. They have Stanley cups.
Oh, why is it like that?
I don't know. Okay, just... I think we could still distract it. I think we can just go on the tree branch.
Woke up on the wrong side of bed.
Yeah, I think we can just go up here if he starts chasing us. I said I think. He might climb up here. He just makes... I hear red light, green light. Oh, poop.
You're gonna anger him.
No, I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna get him on me. You grab the egg and we book it out of here, okay?
Okay.
Where are you?
Sounds like a plan.
Okay, let me just...
Do it.
Oh! Ah! Get the egg! You got it! Go! Go! Okay, we're good. Alright, put it in the back. Put it in your bag. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
You wanna head to red light, green light, or no?
There's another maze.
Alright, let's go there. Yo.
Hold on, let me whip out my flashlight. I don't think we need the tablet.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Can't detect enemies?
Nothing here.
I think I can detect enemies.
Oh, red light, green
yeah,
light.
I can. Armstrong's over there. Yeah, Armstrong's
Where?
over here. He's right in that area.
Oh, he's coming.
See? Can he come up here? He can't. Okay, we're good.
Okay,
Oh yeah, drop
let's
the
go.
tablet in there. Okay, go, go, go. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
My red light, green light. Go dark. He's running. There's something over here.
Okay.
Wait, what's past here?
I think. Yo!
Whoa.
Okay, this place is not in the game anymore. If you're wondering,
Yes.
let's put that in my box.
Okay. What's down here?
Yeah, there. I think that's the old lava texture. I don't know. Oh, there's a lot of stuff down here. Oh,
Guys, I totally was not unborn when this game came out, guys. The speculations are wild, guys. I was
I
born
can't-
after this
Let's go.
game was made, guys. I am not in
Okay,
the
you wanna
moon,
head
guys.
back?
Wait, what?
I think this is all it to this area. So.
Oh, that was just a weird lighting glitch. Okay.
Alright, yeah, let's head back. And we can sell items and head to the last area.
No.
He's over here.
It's,
Dude, he just.
please, no, 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 no.
Ah, heck no. Oh, he just killed him, dude. He died. Oh.
To understand how these are round, the current buttons are hexagonal.
Yeah, I like that round one. That was $452.
And understand how the money's not nuts. It's like the dollar sign.
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay.
let's show him sewer. Let's show him sewers.
Oh yeah, let's. Yeah, I'll just drop all my items.
Let's show him like what's sewer look like.
Alright guys, so we're gonna head to sewers. It's not like actually like you can't jump in it, but like it's here. We might need a yeah, like there's a block. Okay. Oh no, you can go in it.
Wait, what?
Yeah. There's just a wall here. And it's just
That's
some
lazy.
random wall here. So, and we'll show you the boombox because that's super OG.
Oh yeah, the boombox. Wait.
Yeah, don't ask I killed us because I felt like it. Also, yeah, you can't. We're not ghosts. We're just.
Who stepped on it? Who stepped on it?
I did. That's a joke.
Okay.
Wait, we need a flashlight.
Does the boombox even exist here?
No, yeah, it does. It does. It's where
It
that
should be
red
in the
light.
minefield, but there's no minefield.
No, I know where it is. Just follow me.
Okay.
It's news to me that it's news to you. To which degree, who answers to who?
Up here, the boombox.
Whoa. Turn it on.
Wait, oh, you can like blow it. Alright, I'm gonna see. You hold the shotgun. I'll hold this. So.
Yeah.
Oh, really? That's over here. Dude! Don't.
I slimed him.
Alright, let's go. I'm sure. I will. Dude, where are you?
I went back.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
There's another thing at red light, green light.
There is?
Yeah, there's another Armstrong cave.
Another maze, you mean?
Yeah, another maze. Well. Okay.
Okay, let's go in here. We need to pick up loot when you could just slide. Do mimics exist?
I don't know. Do they?
Probably not, because that was like in the sewers.
Yeah. Oh, there's a
They
thing
were,
over
most
here.
known for being in the sewers. Yeah, so I started when the mining update started, which was
Oh,
in the
yo!
second map.
They got these rooms. Oh, the lava areas.
Where are you?
I went down. You should hear the boombox. Okay. Is
No,
oh, there's a thing over here too.
I fell down.
That's cool. Thing up here. Oh, this is a teleport.
This is. Oh, it's a bomb!
Wait,
It's
I
a
see
bomb!
you,
It's a bomb! He's not getting slimed. Does he just explode instantly?
I think I don't know. But that's what the old bombs looked like back then.
Yep.
Nowadays
Okay,
they
what's over
do
here?
not. It looks like kind of like a Mario bomb. Okay, yo, is there something
He's
over
still
there?
there's nothing over there. He's still titter-tattering up there.
Oh, so you tried juking him out?
Oh, nope, he's done. Oh, I hear an Armstrong.
Should you juke the bomb out?
Can I slam the bomb if he doesn't get activated?
I don't think you can kill
Why
it.
not? We gotta make it explode without either of us dying somehow.
We don't even know if it instantly. Does it even
Hey, bomber.
insta-kill you?
I don't know. How about you test it?
There's an Armstrong over here. Okay. Oh, it doesn't kill you! It can't kill
Oh, really?
you! Yeah, look. It just,
Where's the Armstrong?
it's just... I think it's over there.
I hear him, but I don't see him.
Yeah, it makes like the...
There's nothing over there.
Yeah, it makes like the weird sound when he's about to... I think he's over here.
Whoa!
Whoa, yo! I have not... This is freaky.
I don't like on how silent it is.
At least...
Editor Moose, put some music down. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I think this is... I think that's everything.
Now there's more.
You sure?
Pretty sure. They're trash bag and a spurs. Hey, bucko. Get slime.
Did you kill it?
Uh-oh.
Oh, you. Wait, can we take this thing back? Oh no, we can't.
Probably not. It's not that advanced.
Let's see how much this is worth. Yeah. It doesn't even cost money.
Wow.
Okay, so
Stash. So.
yeah, should we check if there's more stuff in forest?
Like, this isn't even behind the stage.
Yeah. And there's no lake. There's no lake, no minefield, no sewers. Yeah, well, let's check more in Dark Forest and see if we can find anything else. So there's one over there.
There's one pathway that we haven't went, right?
No, we went every single way.
No, we haven't gone straight.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we have. Okay.
It's not mines.
I'm next to red light, green light. Wait, they have the plane. It is.
Yeah, so that's an old version of the plunger.
Okay, come here.
Yeah, so this
See
isn't
if we
in
can
the
find
game
any
anymore, if
secrets
you're
in here.
wondering. Yeah, there might be more
Any
stuff
cabins.
over here. I don't know. There has to be some more stuff.
It's news to me that it's news to you. To which degree, who answers to who?
Seeing what this thing actually looks like this closely. Ugh! Ugh! Dude, I figured out what the ceiling looks like.
What's it look like?
It's like, it looks kind of like carpety. Or like, you know, like a core. Like a planet core.
Really?
Yeah.
Could this be the planet core before it was like remodeled?
I'm here! Oh, I
Was this
almost
like the
died.
planet core before it got remodeled?
Oh, dude, you're dead. Wait, there's a thing down here? Oh, there's always been a thing down here. Never mind.
I don't appreciate you sliding.
Okay.
What's happening? Help. Help.
Okay. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, subscribe to Lil Sky 6 Official. I'll see you guys in the next Moosey video.
That's me, guys.
Shut up! Okay, bye guys. Bye.